All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. For a little help with 5-8, special shout-out to April and Tori. It's great to meet you yesterday, April. You guys represent the heart and soul of the Sin Lab. Trying to give you some help here, so let's get going. I understand these are weird questions, okay? So Dion has enough money to buy up to 8 yogurts, up to 8. So I think that means he can buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, or 8 yogurts. I do think that means he can buy 8 yogurts. His favorite flavors are blueberry and strawberry. So, B plus S is less than or equal to 8. That's the inequality there. Okay? So you could do this, and keep in mind this is 1B plus 1S. So if you put in a 0 for B, you get an 8 for S, meaning if he bought 0 blueberries, he would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strawberries. And if you put a 0 in for S, if he bought 0 strawberries, he would get to have 8 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what we would typically do is connect that line like that. But in this particular one, I think we just need dots. I don't think this is a line. And the reason why is I don't think you can buy a fraction of a yogurt. It's not like a salad bar where you're buying it by the pound. You're buying it by the unit. Okay? So I think that is the graph. Let's go on to number 10. Shaniqua is buying a balloon bouquet. Her favorite colors are silver and purple. The silver balloons cost $1, and the purple balloons cost 80 cents. How many of each color balloon can she put in her bouquet if she doesn't spend more? She doesn't spend more than $20. She is allowed to spend $20. So it's going to be $1 times S, so $1 for every silver balloon, plus 0.80 times P has got to be less than or equal to 20. Okay? All right, well, again, let's just figure out where the extremes are, which is also called the intercepts. If we put in a 0 for S, well, now I don't know. You get 8.8P is less than or equal to 20. So divide each side by 0.8. And 20 divided by 0.8. Let me run and get a calculator real quick. And that's 25. So we're going to have to change our units, I think, to 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Here's 25 right here. So that's the most amount of purples she could buy. Now let's assume that she buys 0 purple ones. So then you get 1.00 S is less than or equal to 20, so S is 20. So again, 5, 10, 15, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now, I know we probably can't buy a fraction of balloon, but for this particular one, I think we have no choice but to graph a line because it's not going to be all whole number values. This line might help us find it. And since it's less than or equal to, this line is going to be filled in. So now, shoot, I wish I could use a straight edge. I really do. Got it. All right, so now it says find 3 possible combinations. Well, I guess I should figure that out for the first one. So the first one I could have 08, 80, I could have 17, I could have 71. There's 4 possible combinations. But for this one, I got 0, 25, 20, 0. Those are the easy ones. Here's another point that looks like it's right on the number. Here's another point. And that's enough, I guess. So this is 2, this is 4 here. So I think I could buy 4 and 20. And I think I could buy 10, 12, comma 10. Okay? So here's 4 different options for how many. Again, purple is on this axis. No, silver is on this axis, excuse me. And purple is on that one. Let's see, 0.8, that's just a little off. No, let's see, 4 point plus, yeah, that's exactly right. And obviously, I could buy anything less than that. I guess I should have made that more clear. Anything in there would satisfy the requirements. I could buy 1 purple and 1 silver balloon. And down here, I could buy 1 blueberry yogurt and 1 strawberry yogurt. But if I wanted to maximize my yogurt, or if I wanted to maximize my balloons for the budget, then I would want to pick one of the values that lie on the line. I hope this helps. Have a great weekend. Boom!